We've seen a lot of disruption in the supply chain over the last couple of years, and I'm on the iWave booth with Tawfeeq. And how would you say that iWave helps to provide a solution to smooth that supply chain disruption?
So how iWave is helping companies is by providing the complete system on modules for different kinds of application processors, where companies can then help leverage iWave's supply chain expertise. So rather than forcing their supply chain to look at hundreds of components, they're able to look at one system on module, and iWave provides a complete system on module and able to leverage economies of scale on the system on module, and also provide support from a software perspective as well as a product longevity perspective.
All right, thank you. So we're here by the OSM, the Open Standard Module. This is obviously a fairly new thing. Yeah. So what is the Open Standard Module? Why is it so important?
So the Open Standard Module is a system on module standard, and as you see here, when compared to the SMARC and Q7 standards, where you have where the system on module was inserted into a connector and you had some reliability concerns and cost concerns, the OSM standard defines a BGA package in a much more compact form factor. So like any other chip, you're able to solder the system on module through a pick and place machine. So it also acts as a system on chip where it can be easily integrated during production.
Okay, and because of that standardization of size and I guess it's pin out, here we've got NXP, ST and Renesas. So that means that you can use
it's all compatible, exactly.
That's
and if you look
really
at these standards, like this is the size 0, this is the size S, and this is the size medium, and this is the size large. So they all play onto the same footprint, and you're able to easily play around with the building blocks. So it's depending on your application and depending on requirements, you're able to easily plug in the required module.
Okay, so that sounds really good, but how would a customer evaluate what they need and how they fit it on into their design?
So we have a complete evaluation kit where we have the system on module plugged onto a carrier board, and where we have built all the interfaces brought about through connectors, whether it's Ethernet, HDMI, CSI, DSI interfaces. They're all brought out on the expansion connector, and customers can use this single board computer as an evaluation kit and evaluate the system on module.
Fabulous. And the IMX93, that's a really recent release, isn't it? So you've moved really quickly to get that incorporated.
So the IMX93 is the latest from NXP, focused more towards the edge AI applications with an A55 core and an M33 core. So that's with the NXP, we are working on focusing towards a compact AI solutions with the 93 powering them.
Splendid. Well, thank you very much for taking us through that and explaining to us.
Thank you. Thank you.